Okay, me and my husband love sunflower seeds. So when I saw that there was like these sunflower seeds going around, I was like, I have to try them. So let's try them. This one is dill pickle. Oh. These are good. This one's garlic parmesan. These are really good. I also love that the bags are resealable. Okay. This one's cracked pepper. I'm not really a pepper fan, so. Tastes like pepper. My husband will love this. This one is backyard barbecue. This one's really good too. This is their original flavor. Just tastes like sunflower seeds. Okay, and then this one is their cinnamon churro. So let's see. Oh my god. That's really good. So I just tried 6 different flavors. I love them all besides cracked pepper. I'm not pepper girly. I love them. So if you guys want to try them, I'm going to link them.